A very good evening and welcome to Theme Park Worldwide, where our festive vlogs continue. Tonight here from Yorkshire's Winter Wonderland, that's located on the car park at York Designer Outlet. They completely transformed this area of the car park, and I'm looking forward to sharing everything this event has got to offer so that you can see it for if you're going to be coming down here. Now, along with that, they've got a huge ice skating rink here as well, so we'll take a look at that area and the massive Christmas tree that's in the middle of it. And they've also got a limited ride offering here as well. Some good old vintage rides here at Yorkshire's Winter Wonderland that I'm looking forward to seeing. So come and join me. Let's head inside the event and go and take a look around. Some really nice seating down at the side there, of course, where you can enjoy some festive treats. And yeah, here's a look at the opening times just there. So you can see the Ice Rink opening times at the top and the Vintage Fun Fair down there at the bottom. Right, let's head down this way and have a look. Well, here we go. Merry Christmas, everybody. You got this huge photo opportunity just here. It's really nice. The multicoloured Merry Christmas. And yeah, you got all the fake snow around here as well. I think it's fake. It's freezing tonight. I mean, it is supposed to snow again this evening, but yeah, I think this is fake snow. You might see some real stuff around as well as we're walking around here at York Designer Outlet. But yeah, fantastic photo opportunity there with the huge Merry Christmas. Well, this just shows you how close we are to the actual designer outlet, literally just outside here. And yeah, I've just come into the Enchanted Forest walkthrough now. Got a nice sleigh photo opportunity. Yeah, I've just come through that little archway over there. Now, it's worth pointing out that it is completely free, and to enter the event, you don't need to pay to come in. However, you just pay for your experiences. If you want to do ice skating, then you can pay per ride down at the vintage rides. But yeah, you got all these sheds just here. Some very nice little scenes, some photo opportunities. The night before Christmas there. Yeah, take a few at different ones. A night at the ballet, just over here. Oh, that's very pretty, isn't it? With the swan just in the middle. I do love the festive season. Oh, it's so nice just to be back doing all of these Christmas events. If you haven't already, check out our other festive vlogs. The previous two videos, me and Charlotte did Alton Towers Christmas, Lighttopia. So yeah, check those out if you've not seen them. We did Drayton Manor's Christmas and also Hyde Park Winter Wonderland. These are nice, aren't they? Oh, wow. And yeah, going to be visiting a couple more Winter Wonderland events over the next couple of days. So stay tuned for those here on Theme Park Worldwide. Oh, the gingerbread house, a nice one. Couple of small animatronics just in here as well. They're cool. I feel like what I'd add to these even more is maybe a bit of music playing down here. A nice soundtrack would add to it. But yeah, in terms of the scale of this event, it's nowhere near the size of the likes of Hyde Park Winter Wonderland. It's more of a local event. However, in terms of what Yorkshire's got to offer for Christmas, I believe this is the biggest Winter Wonderland style event in Yorkshire. So yeah, I thought I'd come and check it out. I've been in York today, and that's going to be coming as part of my Vlogmas series over on Adventure Shorn. So yeah, make sure you head over there and check it out. The icy home of the penguins. I tell you what, they've done a cracking job with all these different scenes here. They've even themed up the floor and the ceiling. The things that I look for when I go in for a dark ride or something. Not normally at an event like this, but why not? Oh, there's Comet just over there, Vixen. All of Santa's reindeers. Oh, a few more little animatronics just here. And Santa's helpers at work. All this little scene that we've got. And yeah, there is also a Santa's grotto just over here that's not open this evening. But yeah, I'll try and find the opening times and show you. Well, that was easy, just out the front here, the grotto opening hours, just down the bottom there, so that you can see them if you want to come and meet Father Christmas. So yeah, we'll carry on heading back down this way now. Yeah, all the lights are very nice around the side here, and like I showed you you got all the seating around there as well, which is cool. But yeah, it's freezing tonight, as you probably saw in the introduction, the dragon breath that I've got tonight. It is a cold one. Luckily though, you're right next to the designer outlet, so you can just head inside there if you want to. And obviously you got this little indoor area up here, the chalet. Looks nice, doesn't it? Tell you what, they've done a good job with all the festive scenes around here. Like, you don't really have anything quite like this outside at Hyde Park Winter Wonderland. Like the big logs they've got. Oh, it's carved out like a bear. That's really nice, isn't it? Yeah, this is a really nice festive scene. And yeah, we're literally on the car park here. But yeah, they do a great job. Yeah, that's the chalet. So yeah, all sorts of food and drinks available in there. And here we go up to the huge ice skating ring just up here. The dog house, food just over there. And there's the box office. So yeah, I'll get all the prices and stuff and show you those. But yeah, let's have a look up the top just here at the actual ice rink. Oh wow, look at this. It's absolutely huge, isn't it? Now, something that you've never really seen me do on this channel is ice skating. Well, you're not going to see it tonight. However, Coming up shortly, we're going to be heading to Blackpool because they've got a free fake ice skating ring out the front of the tower, so we're going to check that out. And also, in my Vlogmas series, you may or may not see me doing or attempting to ice skate, so yeah, stay tuned for that. Just here on my own tonight, so I thought, well, I'm not going to head on this one. But yeah, look at the setup. You've got the huge Christmas tree in the middle. Looks about, what, 30 foot tall maybe? Yeah, some nice music playing, lights all the way around. It's busy, isn't it, on here? I'm going to need one of these snowmen to hold when I'm ice skating. I hope they've got some of them when I head to Blackpool. That'll be like me, that girl that's just come past there who's really struggling. I'll probably be worse than that. I'll be on the floor. She's a professional. Oh, wow, look at that. He's a professional going round. Brilliant. Oh, that'll be me, just like him there, on the floor. Or her, sorry, there we go. I'll be on the floor like that. But yeah, Christmas tree looks great. It's busy that one here, isn't it? Really busy ice rink. Yeah, let's go and have a look at the prices. And yeah, the small vintage ride offering is just round to the left-hand side over here. So yeah, we'll go and take a look at that. So it's a 1 hour session that you get on the ice skating rink. It's $10.95 for children and adults are $11.95. So yeah, I'd say pretty fair pricing, to be honest. And it's a huge rink. Just beware if you are coming down here, it gets busy. But you've got to think, it is Christmas. You want it to be busy and have the atmosphere and the feel to it all. So yeah, it's just mainly a warning that it gets busy if you're not very good at ice skating, like me, as you're going to see in the Vlogmas series over on Adventure Sean. We're going to carry on having a walk around here now, catch some more of the atmosphere. And we'll have a look at these rides. Here we go then, so just come round the corner from the ice skating ring, just round the other side now of that marquee where you get your skates on. And yeah, we've got the small selection of vintage rides that they've got down here. Got a speedway just there, so I'll be getting on there shortly. Got the GoPro with me, so yeah, I'll be able to take you on with some on-ride footage. £3 for a token down here, so yeah, not too bad for the rides. Got the nice classic chairplanes over here as well. Lovely LED lighting package on there, just a small one. Well yeah, I'll give that a go as well. And also, look at these, the Super Dodgems. Yeah, again, another fantastic lighting package, a bit more retro on here. Yeah, these look quite good, don't they? Quite a long cycle. They've been going for a few minutes since I walked into the rides area. So yeah, we'll have a ride on there as well, shall we? Awesome. Yes, they're the 3 main rides that they've got down here. We've also got a couple of bits for the kids as well, as you can see just over there. A couple of smaller rides. Yeah, which is really nice. So yeah, it's only a small little event. Like I say, nothing on the scale of Hyde Park Winter Wonderland, but I thought whilst I'm in York, having a look around, may as well pop up here and check it out, you know, because it's always nice to support these events and see what they're like. So yeah, I'm going to head round this way. You don't pay on the rides, you pay at the token booth just round here. And then we'll get on some rides, starting off with the Speedway, I think. Yeah, 1 token, £3. Here we go then, on the Speedway, straight in. Worth pointing out, you can pay cash or card at the tokens booth. Yeah, £9 to do 3 rides, not too bad at all. You've got to think at Hyde Park Winter Wonderland, the prices are pretty expensive. I think £3 a ride here is absolutely fine. I say that, you know, but Winter Wonderland, it is worth it. These rides are coming from abroad down at Hyde Park. I'm looking forward to getting back there again. But yeah, it's nice to come and see this. I'd love to see it expand up here with some more rides and offering. It's clear that the ice skating ring is definitely the main draw for people here, and the rides are kind of just a bonus to that. But I liked the little walkthrough that I did at the top just there. And yeah, it's nice to come and see what's available. You get some long cycles here though. The Dodgems is only just finished over there. Crazy. Oh, it's still going. There we go. I thought it had finished. No, it's still going. But yeah, and along with that, the chairplanes have been going around for ages as well. Yeah, really long cycles. Get your money's worth here at Yorkshire's Winter Wonderland. So yeah, it's all free parking here as well. I'm parked literally right next to the event over there. It is chilly tonight. It is so cold. In fact, I think it's just gone -1 now. Right, really cold, -1. Crazy. Oh, get some smoke. More smoke, please. Why not? Yeah, we've got some good lighting on here. Whoa, that's very atmospheric, isn't it? Oh, lovely. Yeah, I do love the festive season. It's so nice just to have these events running again. Ooh, it's a little bit bumpy this one, but that's the great thing about these older rides. The heritage of them, isn't it? I think up next, we'll give the chairplanes a go, shall we? It's only a small one, but I thought, why not? these events really need the support, you know. I mean, everywhere seems to have had a really good summer this year, which is the main thing. Even though the weather hasn't been absolutely amazing, most places have had a good summer and they've done well. So yeah, that's the main thing. And we've done a lot of fun fairs. You know, I really enjoyed Hull Fair this year. That was brilliant. But yeah, it's good because unlike the theme parks, you know, these events have a bigger ride offering normally. Like you look at Winter Wonderland in Hyde Park, it's crazy. And if you are from up north around here in Yorkshire and you haven't ventured down to London yet for Hyde Park Winter Wonderland, I'd definitely recommend it. And check out our vlog here on Theme Park Worldwide so that you can see it. Right, Chairplane's up next. End of the cycle. Here we go then, over onto the Chairplane ride there now, and I'm absolutely freezing, but yeah, it's worth it to be here and see another event, and of course bring it to you here on Theme Park Worldwide. Nice lighting package on here. Yeah, these rides, £3, not too bad at all I don't think, pretty fair pricing. Fun fair pricing, but yeah, give the Dodgems a go next. But having a little look down at the other side of the event and the ice skating rinks. Yeah, it's beautiful with a huge Christmas tree over there. Really nice, isn't it? A few game stalls down here as well, as you can see. Not normally a big fan of the games, you know me, I like the rides, that's what I come for. The rides, the theme and the experience, but yeah, the game's not a big thing for me. I know they are for quite a lot of people though, that's why I do try and mention them in the videos. Yeah, it's a really nice little Chairplane this. To be honest, sometimes these smaller ones can be more forceful and more intense than the bigger ones. I'm struggling to speak, it is that cold, blowing straight out of my mouth, it's crazy. But I'm going to have icicles coming from my glasses by the end of this vlog. But yeah, like sometimes these smaller ones have got more kick, and this really has. Like if you do get dizzy on spinning rides, these smaller ones are worse than a bigger wave swinger, you know. So yeah, just like you can tell that from the GoPro footage here, look how fast we're spinning round. Crazy, isn't it? Yeah, long cycle as well. It takes a while to get going, I think, this one. That's probably why. Yeah, lighting package is good. Good solid 8 out of 10 from me on the lighting package. Now, if you do want to head into York, like I've done today, I didn't do this time, but I have in the past when I visited the designer outlet. You can actually park here and do the park and ride straight into the city centre, which is definitely worth doing if you want to make a full day of it. Because yeah, you could go into York, come back, go around the outlet and then do this event, so, or do it the other way around, or any order you want, you know. So yeah, you can really make a full day of it if you come in here to York and want to see the city, the designer outlets, and also Winter Wonderland. But yeah, right, I'm getting dizzy now, 2 minutes in. Up next, going on the Super Dodgem just over there. Woo. That was the longest cycle I think I've ever had on one of them Chairplanes. In fact, it definitely is. It's on there nearly 5 minutes. I think because it takes a bit of time for it to get going. And of course you've got the main part of the cycle, then it has to slow down again. Yeah, it was going for ages on there. Even I was starting to feel a bit dizzy by the end of it. But anyway, up next, gonna head over onto the Dodgems. Whoa, here we go. So yeah, one second my car and we're off. Oh, nice classic Dodgem just here. Woo. Oh, they're getting me from behind. Fast these are. Whoa, straight to number 15. One way round, please. One way round. Oh. Let's go for this guy, number 5. Oh, straight in. Give him a bit of a boost there. Oh, God. Sandwiched in there. Crazy. Love it. Nice lighting around here as well. Oh God, coming in from the side. Ah! Oh, these are nice and fast, these are. Brilliant. Whoa. I'm been on the Dodgers for a while actually. Here we go, straight into number 10. Oh! Oh! Jam sandwich. I try not to go for the ones that have got little kids in, you know. So I remember when I was a kid and my dad used to hold on to me and somebody would whack into us. I'm pretty sure I was crying multiple times when I used to be a kid. So I try not to be that person. Yeah. Go for the adults like these. Number 12. Whoa! Back into 10. Straight in the back. Whoa! Everyone's POVing, but they've got the phone out there. I've got my GoPro. She's got a phone out as well. Whoa! One way round! Oh my God! One way round, guys! One way round! Everyone's just doing what they want now. I think what would be nice with this event is if they had some Christmas music playing. Just see, whoa! Oh my God! Brutal, right, I'm getting them now. Number 9 just there. I'm going against what I just said, straight in the back. Oh. Got some brutal play going on. Yeah, some Christmas music will be nice. Just playing normal kind of pop music around here. Whoa! Playing a bit of Aerosmith, rock and roller coaster. Woo! Well, I think it is. Where are they? You got me just. Whoop. Can't see him now. Woo. Oh, I won't go into the back of 15, he says. Woo. Brutal. Oh, I thought I was getting jammed up then. Jam sandwich. Woo. Oh. Oh. Good cycle there as well. It shows the chair plane, like I said, I was on there for ages. Woo. Not this way. Right, this blue car is trying to dodge me on the side. Oh, there we go. Serves him right, that. Oh, and again. Oh. Everyone's just doing what they want here, cutting each other up. All the fun. She's going the wrong way. Oh. Oh. Brilliant. What a great ride. The cycle just keeps on giving. Woo. Well, they were absolutely brutal dodgems on there. I loved it. It was on there nearly 5 minutes as well. You're paying £3 a ride and you get some really good cycles here at Yorkshire's Winter Wonderland. Yeah, not going to do the 2 junior rides here, but just thought I'd show you them. Yeah, really nice. I'd love to see this event expand actually with some more attractions. But it is nice how everything is vintage here, so it'd be kind of good if you kept with that theme as well, because it really does work. But yeah, you've got the 2 little rides down here for the kids as well. Well, there we go. That's going to do it from tonight's vlog here at Yorkshire's Winter Wonderland. It's absolutely freezing, but you know what? I've had a good time. It's always nice to come and see an event and check it out. And yeah, with this, I'd love to see it expand. The ice skating rink is really popular. It's full on there. There's got to be maybe 150 people, maybe more than that. And the session's going every hour, bringing a lot of people here to York Designer Outlet. So I'd love to see some more rides and attractions around there. I think it could expand and be an even bigger event. But yeah, this little Christmas tree trail and walkthrough they've got here is really nice as well, so it's definitely worth coming to see. And the best thing is you can come walk around, enjoy the atmosphere. You don't have to spend anything if you don't want to. However, I'd say the rides are reasonably priced at £3. Not too bad at all. £3 a token. Had a great ride, and the aeroplane was crazy. It was ridiculous how long I was going around on there. 5 minutes. Really had my money's worth on that one. But yeah, nice little event in the freezing cold here at Yorkshire's Winter Wonderland. If you haven't already, check out all of our other festive vlogs here on Theme Park Worldwide, and don't forget to join me for the first time ever. I'm doing Vlogmas over on my second channel, Adventure Sean, and I'd love to see you over there. Woo, it's cold. That leaves me with one final thing to say: get out there and keep on riding. See you all tomorrow.